How to create a Microsoft Outlook new account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Outlook. Now once you type and click on search. Now tap on Microsoft Outlook and click on install. Now while the APK is being installed, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Now once you install, ta- simply tap on open. Now tap on create new account. Now wait for some time. Now enter your new email address. Now type @outlook.com. Now click on next. Now create a password. Now tap on next. Now enter your first name and last name. Now click on next. Now select your country and date of birth. Select your birth date, birth month and birth year. Now click on next. Now verify the CAPTCHA. Click on next. Now tap on submit. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.